Hello everyone, I hope you had a good season. The season is over now, and as you know, the pandemic is still going, and again we will have in 2021 we will have to have virtual open house. So I want to welcome you today to join us. Everything will begin around mid-May. You will have all info that will be shared to you through our website, social medias. And also something new this year that we will have is an online chat that will be available to you anytime you wish. You will be able to speak with our specialist to ask any questions you may have on our CDL product brand. What will be new also, it's a nice thing coming out. It's our new CDL magazine that will be delivered, I believe, at the end of May. That will include all kinds of articles explaining new products, new technologies, and anything that may be interesting for you as far as maple sugar. Also, as you know, the best price of the year will be available again. All the promotions will be available to you beginning of May. You can call your local store to know more about them. Call your salesman, and I mean, you're always welcome to ask any questions you have. So stay safe, thank you, and see you soon. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification icon to get updates on new product videos.